Emily bought a new camera, a DJI Pocket 3. She had been thinking about it for a long time. When it arrived, she set the box on her table. She couldn't wait to open it. She opened the box carefully. Inside, the camera was packed tight in plastic. She lifted it out. It was very small. She was surprised by how small it was. The camera fit in the palm of her hand. She turned it over and looked at every side. She wanted to use the camera to share videos online. She would send short clips to her friends and family. She had a lot of ideas. She decided to start right away. She turned the camera on and looked at the screen. There were many settings she didn't know. She wasn't sure where to start. She picked up her iPad and opened YouTube. She was sure she would find helpful videos there. She found many videos about the DJI Pocket 3. She started watching. The first video showed one way to set up the camera. The next video showed something completely different. Every person had their own ideas. There were so many ways to do things. She kept watching. She took notes on her phone. But after a while, she felt more confused than before. All the videos gave different advice. She put her phone down. She looked at the camera sitting on the table. She thought of something. Maybe watching videos was not the best way to learn. Maybe the best thing was to go outside and try different settings herself. She could see what worked. She didn't need to know everything first. She just needed to start. She picked up the camera and turned it on again. The small screen lit up. She put on her shoes. She picked up her bag. She opened the front door. Outside, the afternoon light was perfect. She still didn't know which settings were right, but she was ready to find out. She stepped outside with the camera in her hand. Her first video was about to begin.